Pocahontas! Your farsa's back! Come down here!
He's back, Flit. Come on, Miko!
No, not that way. Shut off. Pocahontas? Pocahontas? Are you alright? Well, you better be alright because I'm not coming in after you! Don't you think we're getting a little old for these games?
Help me turn this thing over.
What were you doing up there?
Thinking. Miko.
About that dream again? Well, have you figured it out?
I know it means something, I just don't know what.
You should ask your father about it.
Maybe I should. Come on, Flit. Quit playing around. We have to get back.